NEST 2022 Shift 1 Question 62. A detector records 200 events from the decay of a radioactive sample in the first 10 seconds. It records 74 events in the next 10 seconds. The half-life of the sample is 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 7 seconds and 3 seconds. Okay. So 200 events from the decay basically means if the original number is n0, after 10 seconds the number of nuclei is n0 minus 200. Okay, and then after that in the next 10 seconds there are 74 more nuclei which got decayed. Okay, so suppose let us we assume that n0 is the original number of nuclei, that is at t equal to 0. Okay, what can we write from the first statement? n0 minus 200 is equal to n0 e raised to negative 10 lambda, and then I can write n0 minus 274 is equal to n0 into e raised to negative 20 lambda. Now raise your hands if you understood what I did here. Right? How does the number of nuclei evolve with time? It is n0 e raised to negative lambda t. So n after 10 seconds will be n0 minus 200 and n after 20 seconds will be n0 minus 274. Got it? Now this is a mathematical problem because there are two unknowns, n0 and lambda, and we would like to determine lambda because from lambda we can easily obtain the half-life. Okay. Now to eliminate n0, what can we do? First of all, I can no, subtraction will not get rid of n0 because this n0 will still remain there. Okay, we should divide first both the equations by n0. So we will get 1 minus 200 by n0 equaling e raised to negative 10 lambda, and 1 minus 274 upon n0 will be e raised to negative 20 lambda. Okay, now observe that e raised to negative 20 lambda is e raised to negative 10 lambda raised to 2. Correct? So 1 minus 274 upon n0, which is e raised to negative 10 lambda squared, so that can be written as 1 minus 200 upon n0 squared. Have you understood this step? Okay, now let us square it. A squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Okay, cancel 1. Okay, bring negative 400 upon n0 to LHS. So we will get 400 minus 274 upon n0 is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 4 upon n0 squared. We can cancel n0 here. So what will be n0? 4 into 10 raised to 4 upon 126. Okay. Yeah, 317.46. Okay. Now let us substitute it in any of our equations. Okay, where should we substitute it? let us substitute it in this equation, right? Let us substitute it in this equation. Okay, so basically I need to find lambda now. If I take the log, then I will get ln 1 minus 200 upon n naught, okay, n naught, which is 317.46, I can say, okay, ln 1 minus 200 upon n naught, and I need to divide this by negative 10. Okay, I need to divide it by negative 10. And how much is half-life? Half-life is ln 2 by lambda. Okay, ln 2 by lambda. Lambda is in the denominator, so it will be negative 10 ln 2 upon ln 1 minus 200 upon 317.46. Now let us find out the half-life finally. Fraction. In the numerator we have got negative 10 ln 2, and in the denominator we have got ln 1 minus, again fraction, 200 upon 317.46. Okay. So we are calculating this. Let's see what the calculator gives us. 6.97. Okay, 6.97 seconds. Any option closer to this? Option C.